Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In today's recipe we have a quinoa with vegetables. All ingredients below in my info box. For this recipe you're gonna need mushrooms, zucchini, tomato, broccoli, onion, beets, and cooked quinoa. In the saucepan we're gonna add olive oil, and we are going to add only the zucchini at this time because it takes more time to cook than the other vegetables. And when the zucchini is a little bit cooked, we're gonna be adding the tomatoes, mushrooms, and onions. Please add the broccoli to the end, okay? Saute all vegetables. And I will use salt, fresh black pepper, and garlic powder. Stir for a few minutes. It's time to add the broccoli and cover with the lid for a few minutes until the broccoli have a bright green color. Right here I have the quinoa. It's already cooked in my rice cooker, just with water, but you can cook the quinoa with chicken broth if you want, okay? So now let's add the quinoa over the vegetables, mix everything, and if you want, add more salt, pepper, olive oil to taste. And ta-da! Here I have my healthy meal, quinoa with the vegetables. And yes, I have a little dog. Her name is Candy, my coton de Tulliar. She has her own videos every Saturday, but she always be here every Wednesdays with my recipes. Please subscribe, thumbs up. See you next time. Bye bye.